Hello, I'm here to show you a quick video about Pivoo. Pivoo is primarily a WordPress theme dedicated to food and recipes. Let's start with adding recipes from the Admin and Frontend panels. From the WordPress dashboard, we will now select the recipe menu. Recipe category and tags are also available on the menu. Now, from the dashboard, we click the Add New button to create a new recipe. We can see the recipe adding format from the dashboard after clicking it. We will start with the title. Following that, we added a description to the recipe. We can see the category tags and other information fields after the content area. Now we'll choose a category and tags. Following that, we will enter all of the required information into the recipe fields. There are 6 tabs for recipe information. The first is General Information. It includes recipe-specific primary information fields, person served, preparation time, cooking time, and so on. You can add recipe ingredients on the second tab. There are 3 fields for recipe ingredients, such as amount, quantity unit, and label. This is very useful for adding ingredients. Dressing ingredients can be added in the same way that recipe ingredients are. Dressing ingredient fields are the same as recipe ingredient fields. It's now time to add nutritional data from this tab. With the necessary fields, you can add all nutritional information about the current recipe. Adding a cooking step is an important part of a recipe. We'll add it now from this tab. Go for it to properly add the cooking step with Pivoo's perfect fields. The final tab is for Extra Information. You will be able to add information. Remember to include a featured image in the recipe. We'll check the front-end recipe add page after we've added it. We'll proceed to the recipe submission page from Frontend. Like backend fields, it's a well-designed form for submitting recipes. To begin, we can enter the title and content from the admin panel. In addition, all required fields are available here. The 6th tab, as well as the admin panel, can be found here. As in an admin panel, all information can be entered. All of the recipe steps can be found here. You can easily add your recipe step from here. It's now time to look over the recipe preview. The recipe layout on Pivoo is stunning. All necessary information is presented in an elegant layout here. The information is simple to read for the user. In addition, the user will be able to check off all completed steps. As you can see, it's much more dynamic and perfect. So we finally completed the small test for recipe submission. It's easy to use and convenient. The recipe can also be edited from the front end, so you can check out the demo to see all of the recipe's features. We are confident that you will be pleased with all of our recipe features. If you require any additional information, please leave a comment on Envato.